The defect we'd like to look at today is solder spots or solder spotting. Now basically this is contamination of solder paste or solder spots on the surface of gold printed circuit boards. Now how the contamination gets there are a variety of different reasons, and there's a number of very good technical papers that you can download. However, most common reasons for solder spotting on gold boards is splitting from the solder paste because the profile, the paste, or the condition of the storage of the paste was inappropriate, thus leading to very small quantities of individual solder spheres plus the flux are ejected to different areas of the printed circuit boards. If you're using nickel gold boards and you're doing wash-offs or wipe-offs because you're unhappy with the quality of the solder paste print, you'll often deposit 1 or 2 balls on a gold pad somewhere on the printed circuit board. And if you're running either vapor phase or running in nitrogen, those solder balls will probably reflow and exhibit spots after reflow even without flux.